That's an awesome looking truck, man. Look how clean the paint is. You'll see my reflection in the paint. This is how clean the paint is on this truck. You'll see my reflection as I'm walking up. I mean, he takes pride in his truck. This is personal. You'll see me in the middle of his tailgate. And right now, I'm standing